Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted a Prestige X1 alarm system on this lovely classic Triumph Stag. Customers were paranoid about someone breaking into it, trying to hotwire it, steal it or come close to it, as it's a really nice Triumph. So we fitted this. How it works is when you leave the vehicle, hit that button there, one bleep, one flash, system comes on. When you come back to the vehicle, hit that button there, two bleeps, two flashes, system disarms. If you wanted to arm it at night, you would hit that, then that, get silent arm. If you want to silent disarm it, that, then that, silent disarm. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show how it works. So we're going to arm it with this one here, and I'm slowly going to trigger each door and boot to show it works. And as I'm triggering it, I'm going to silence it just with the disarm button, not disarm it. So I'm going to show you that now. So if the alarm was triggered in your absence, you haven't heard it, this time when you come back and disarm it, it will give you 4 bleeps and 4 flashes till it's been triggered, and then the LED will go through a sequence of flashes, then pause. What I'm going to show you now is the proximity sensor. So we're going to arm it, leave it for about 10 seconds, and then I'm going to move around the vehicle and see if it picks us up. So I'll wait about 10 seconds. There you go, the vehicle's given us a pre-warn to tell us that the security device fitted, so please stand back. This also has the facility that if you're on a busy road and you wanted to turn off the proximity sensor, you could do that quite easily. So if we arm it and quickly hit the disarm button, you'll get another chirp that will now disarm the proximity sensor but still give you door protection. So I'll show you that also now. There you go, proximity sensor is switched off. Also, I'm now going to disarm it. I'm going to arm it. I'm going to enter the vehicle and try and start it. And you see the vehicle will not start. Obviously the alarm will trigger straight away. While I'm in the vehicle and show it's not start, I'm going to disarm it. I'm going to show you that now. There you go, vehicle's immobilised, so therefore alarm's going off and you can't start the vehicle. So now I'm going to just basically disarm it, arm it, and now disarm it, and show the vehicle's disarmed and you can start the vehicle. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478. 0208 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.